Hello, my name is Michael and I'm an engineer at MTS Technik. I would like to introduce the MTS GW VW31 kit for VAG Group cars with a PQ35 platform. The front axle includes a coilover shock absorber finished in gold zinc plating, equipped with a hexacoil adjustment nut and a reducing sleeve which allows installation in vehicles with 50 or 55 mm steering knuckle. The front springs are manufactured by German company Eibach. It has progressive characteristics ensuring maximum comfort and exceptional driving performance. It is available in various wire thickness depending on the car purpose and body version. The rear axle is equipped with a shock absorbers in distinctive yellow color, featuring a shortened stroke and increased damping force. Additionally, the set includes black anodized aluminum adjusters and a linear springs with an ungrounded lower coil that fits into original control arm rubber. It's also worth mentioning the bump stop and covers that are included in the kit. The only additional items needed for suspension installation are the original factory shock mounts, which must be transferred from original struts or replaced with the new ones. Finally, the package also includes documents such as installation manual, TÜV certificate, adjustment tool, and as a bonus, 2 MTS Technik stickers. Thank you for watching.